In this video, we are going to discuss about service portfolio activities. So, what are the service portfolio activities? You can see DAAC, that means define, analyze, approve and charter. These are the activities of service portfolio. You can see this DAAC is based on DMAIC cycle, which is a data driven improvement cycle. So, what is DMAIC? D stands for define, M stands for measure, A stands for analyzing, I stands for improvement, C for control, cycle. So, it is a data driven improvement cycle. From this cycle, the DAAC has been derived. So, what is DAAC? D for define, A for analyze, A for approve and C for charter. So, coming to define, this takes service strategy as input and it defines the inventories, business cases and validation of data. So, based on this defining the data, it takes a service strategy as input and giving the inventories or defining the inventories and also the business cases, and also it do the validation of the data. What is analyze? Decide value proposition, prioritization, balance of demand and supply. So, coming to approval, you can see authorized or finalize the portfolios, services and resources. So, this will approve the portfolios, services and resources basing or finalizing the services in demand. You can see the charter, communicate information or taking the decisions, resource allocation and chartering of services. So, continually update or improvement to the portfolio begins in the next DAAC.